In this video, I'll be showing you guys on how to install Roblox on Mac. So let's get started. So first of all, head over to roblox.com and then obviously sign in with your Roblox account and then open any game you want to play. So for example, nowadays I've been playing this game a lot, so I'm just going to open this. And then you can just go ahead and click on this plus symbol. So as you can see, since I do not have Roblox, it's saying that there is no application that can open this link. So I'm just gonna click on cancel, and then I'll see this option, download Roblox, okay? So I'm just gonna click on it, and then it's gonna give me this pop-up, okay? So I'm just gonna click on enter and save that. You can also see that they have given us some install instructions, but that you can just go ahead and read through it, but I'm just gonna close it, and I'm gonna open the file which I just downloaded. I'm just gonna double click on it, open, just gonna wait for it to download. Just gonna wait a bit. Almost done. Okay, so that should be downloaded. It's gonna verify all the files now, and I can just close it, and there you see Roblox has opened. Now you can see that's the same account which was open on the browser is now open here, so I can just go ahead, click on it and open the game. And there you go, the game is open and I can go ahead and play it now. So yeah, that's so easy to do, and hopefully now you guys can do it. And that'll be it for the video. I hope that it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.